Hello dear viewers. The phone I have in my hand look like the Vivo V23e. This phone model is Vivo V23e. Now today I'll show you how to use OTG on the phone, can use pen drive and memory card and mouse if you want. And I will also show you whether OTG is supported phones or not. And if OTG doesn't work, I will show you how to fix it. In order to connect OTG to the phone first, I need to take an OTG, then the memory or pen drive to connect the two well. Then in this pen drive I will connect well again with OTG. After connecting it for this first I have to find the option called settings. When find out settings option, then I will click on settings. After click on settings, it will be presented with many options from here, and for finding Bluetooth and device care option. When you will see an option Bluetooth and device connection, then I will click on Bluetooth and device connection. After click on it, it will be presented with many options from here. You will see an option called OTG. If you want to use OTG on this phone, you just turn it on this option and enable your OTG connection. I will just turn on that OTG connection option. As soon as I turn on the option, but my phone had OTG connection but got it right, I will click on back. Then second time I will put this OTG on my phone. I will wait for a while after installing it, but here I can see my OTG is working and show my pen drive files. Click on pen drive files and click on continue. Scroll down, show is the flash drive. This is my OTG pen drive files. You will see now. And if you want to use mouse in these phones, I just put the mouse here and wait few seconds after installing it, but here I can see my mouse is working. So viewers, Vivo V23e phone, this phone is fully OTG supported, and if you want to use mouse, pen drive and memory card, use Vivo V20